Hello, good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, may order ako dalawang extra large pizza guys. Special siya. Pierogi pizza guys. Guys, ito yung pierogi. Yung dough, pahiran mo ng garlic butter. Lagyan mo ng mashed potato. Tapos lagyan mo ng onion. Yan. Tapos bacon guys. Yan. Bacon. Tapos cheddar cheese. Yan. Yan yung the best pizza namin guys, special pizza. Tapos lagyan natin ng mosa cheese. Yan, ganyan siya karami, 1 kilo cheese. Yan na guys, tapos na yung pierogi pizza natin. Ngayon, gagawa naman tayo ng doner pizza guys. Doner pizza. So, sliced beef. Onion guys, yan. Yan siya. Lagyan natin ng garlic sauce. Ito guys, garlic sauce. Ayan guys, napaka-creamy nito. Yan. Doner pizza with garlic sauce. Yan. Lagyan natin ng cheese. 1 kilong cheese. Yan. Yan na guys, tapos na. Salang na natin guys. Within 7 minutes guys, luto na yan. Yan. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you in my next video guys. Bye bye.